Lord Gautama Buddha once said that Arogya Paramalava, which is in Pali and translated as health, is the most precious gain out of all gains. Hello everyone, good day to you all. I am Sean from Amazing Life Lessons, and today we are going to talk about top 5 fruits you should eat to stay healthy. So without further ado, let's move into the video. So the first fruit we are going to talk about is banana. It helps in digestion as banana has lot of fiber in them. Banana stimulates the digestive juices and hence supports in digestion as well as metabolism. Also, since it has lot of fiber, it is good for the heart as well. In general, foods which contains high amount of fiber are good for the heart, and so does banana. So the next health benefit of banana is the amount of nutrients it contains. Bananas are loaded with vitamins and minerals such as calcium, manganese, magnesium, iron, folate, niacin, riboflavin, and vitamin B6. Also, banana can help to lower blood pressure as it contains low salt but high potassium content. So if you need to lower blood pressure, banana may be an ideal choice for you. However, as mentioned in that medical disclaimer earlier in the video, it is always advised to consult a doctor or a licensed physician before adding anything you are unsure to your diet. Banana also helps to fight anemia as it contains a high amount of iron. If you don't know what anemia is, it is a condition of low red blood cells, or in other words, low in hemoglobin in the blood. Anemia may lead due to fatigue, paleness, and maybe shortness of breath. So all these qualities of banana will contribute to the proper functioning of the body and will keep you healthy. So in summary, banana helps to reduce depressions, gives energy, and also it is great for the brain as well. The next fruit we are going to talk about is mango, also known as the king of fruits in some countries. Apart from being a delicious fruit, it also contains several health benefits as well. So the first benefit we are talking about is digestion. As previously mentioned in banana, mangoes also help in digestion as it contains enzymes which helps in digestion of protein and fiber. The next benefit is it helps to have a healthy gut. Since mango have a prebiotic dietary fiber in its flesh, it helps in good digestion as well as metabolism and asthma conditions. Also, it is important to highlight that green mango contains more fiber than ripe mangoes. Mangoes can be helpful in boosting your immune system as well, especially in these days where immunity is a main health concern. Mango can give you a majority of your daily vitamin C intake since it contains a lot of vitamin C in them. This helps to boost your immunity against diseases like cold and flu. Another benefit you may have not heard maybe is that mangoes are good for the eyes as well. Mangoes can help in vitamin A intake as it contains a lot of beta carotene in it. It helps in improving vision, overall eye health, and slowing loss of vision which happens due to aging. It can help in lowering cholesterol levels due to its high level of fiber and can help in diabetics as well, since mangoes contains dietary fiber which helps in maintaining the blood sugar levels. So in summary, mango helps to improve memory, alkalize the body, and improves the vision as well. So the next fruit we are talking about is pineapple, which contains high level of nutrients, antioxidants, and many other health benefits. So the first health benefit as mentioned earlier is the nutrition content, which includes calories, fiber, protein, vitamin C and vitamin B6, manganese and magnesium, potassium, copper, iron, and many other nutrients. Out of these nutrients, vitamin C and manganese are the most common ones, which takes larger portion of nutrients in pineapple. So the next benefit is its antioxidants content which can be especially helpful to fight against diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and even some type of cancers. Another benefit it gives is aiding digestion as pineapples contain digestive enzymes known as bromelain. Pineapples also aids in improving the immune system since it contains a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes like bromelain which I mentioned earlier. These vitamins, minerals, and enzymes also help easing the symptoms of arthritis as well as pains, bruising, and swelling which occurs after surgery. So in summary, pineapples help you to fight against cold and flu, neutralizes acidity, and boost your immune system. So the next or the fourth fruit we are talking about today is cherries. Cherries too contain vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds which gives high health benefits to your body. Cherries also have high amount of nutrients in them like pineapple. Nutrients in cherries contains calories, protein, carbs, fiber, vitamin C, potassium, copper, and manganese mainly. So these high amount of nutrients, especially vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, make sure your body is functioning properly and at the optimal level. Like in pineapples, cherries too contain high number of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like polyphenol which protect your body against diseases like heart diseases, diabetes, some type of cancers, and mental illness as well. So if you are an exercise junkie and involved in athletics, then cherries are good choice as a fruit. Due to high plant compounds and melatonin, which is substance that helps to maintain your sleep and wake cycle optimally, cherries can help you to achieve a good quality sleep. So in summary, cherries help in weight loss, protection from diabetes, and antioxidants. So finally, as the fifth fruit we are talking in this video, we have grapes. Grapes offer a high amount of health benefits due to its high content of nutrients and antioxidants. Like almost all the fruits mentioned earlier, grapes too are packed with nutrients like calories, carbs, protein, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, potassium, copper, and manganese. Out of these vitamins and minerals, vitamin C and K are considerably high in grapes, and they can give a significant portion of our vitamin needs and other nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which helps us in bone health as well. And as we mentioned earlier, since grapes too contain high number of antioxidants, it will prevent in chronic diseases like diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels, some type of cancers, and also heart diseases as well. Also, grapes can help in lowering the blood pressure and reducing cholesterol as well due to its compound contents. Compounds found in grapes such as resveratrol, lutein, and zeaxanthin will help against eye diseases like age-related loss of vision, cataracts, and glaucoma. These compounds may also help to slow down your aging and to improve longevity. In some researches, it is found that if you need to improve your memory, then grapes are a good choice as well. So in summary, grapes can help in anti-aging, lowering cholesterol, and reducing constipation as well. So the 5 fruits we have discussed in this video are banana, mangoes, pineapple, cherries, and grapes. So that's all about the top 5 fruits you should eat in order to stay healthy. And before winding up this video, it is important to highlight that all the information we are sharing in these videos are strictly only for the informational purposes, and nothing in these videos may be able to substitute with professional medical care. Therefore, if you have any doubt on your health condition, then it is recommended to seek the advices and services of a licensed healthcare professional always. So that being said, we have come to end of this video, and if you are enjoying these videos from Amazing Life Lessons, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon next to it so you will be the first to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. So until we meet again, stay safe and stay home. Cheers.